The cryptocurrency world is buzzing with a tantalizing mystery. Ethereum whales have just scooped up 640,000 ETH in a stunning move that could signal the next big rally. As ETH teeters at $1,754 after a recent dip, the sudden accumulation by long-term holders, wallets that never sell, raises the stakes. Is this the calm before a storm of explosive growth, or a deceptive lull hiding deeper market shifts? The clock is ticking, and the answers lie buried in the blockchain's cryptic depths. Dive into this unfolding saga to uncover what's driving these whales and whether Ethereum's price is poised to soar past $1,800 or crash under the weight of uncertainty. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve as we unravel this enigma step by step. Over the past 48 hours, a seismic shift has rippled through the Ethereum ecosystem, captured vividly in the on-chain data from CryptoQuant. Long-term holder wallets, those steadfast entities that have refrained from selling a single ETH since their inception, have absorbed an astonishing 640,000 ETH. This influx, the largest of its kind since 2018, paints a picture of unshakable confidence amid a market correction that saw ETH drop 3.3% to $1,754 in the last 24 hours. CryptoQuant contributor OnChainSchool flags this as a strategic move, suggesting these whales are positioning themselves for a future upswing, undeterred by short-term volatility. These accumulation-only wallets, often seen as barometers of investor conviction, hint at a belief that Ethereum's fundamentals, bolstered by its proof-of-stake transition, burgeoning Layer 2 adoption, and innovative staking mechanisms, will drive long-term value. This accumulation coincides with a broader network resurgence. Active addresses surged nearly 10% from April 20th to April 22nd, leaping from 306,000 to over 336,000, as noted by analyst Carmelo Aleman. This spike, coupled with rising transactional volume, underscores growing user engagement, a critical indicator of ecosystem health. Aleman cautions, however, that active addresses must be contextualized with metrics like exchange volume and gas fees for a complete picture. The interplay of these factors suggests a quiet but potent buildup of demand, potentially laying the groundwork for a support zone around current price levels. Yet, the market's broader 3.6% correction introduces a layer of suspense. Could this be a bullish signal drowned out by macroeconomic noise, or the prelude to a breakout rally? The stakes are high, and the data teases more questions than answers, keeping investors on edge. The historical context adds further intrigue. Ethereum's price has mirrored broader crypto trends, climbing above $1,800 before retreating, a pattern that often precedes significant moves. The 640,000 ETH inflow echoes past accumulation phases that preceded rallies. But the current landscape, marked by evolving staking dynamics and L2 growth, introduces new variables. OnChainSchool's analysis suggests these whales are betting on Ethereum's technological evolution, possibly anticipating catalysts like enhanced scalability or institutional adoption. Meanwhile, the simple moving average, SMA, of 14 days hovers near the accumulation zone, offering a technical anchor that could either bolster support or signal a false dawn if breached. As the network hums with activity, the question looms: are these whales orchestrating a silent revolution or merely riding a fleeting wave? The suspense thickens, urging a closer look at every metric. The plot thickens as Ethereum's fate hangs in the balance. With 640,000 ETH now in the hands of unwavering whales, the network's pulse, marked by a 10% jump in active addresses to over 336,000, hints at a brewing storm. This accumulation, the largest since 2018, could be the spark for a rally that propels ETH beyond $1,800, fueled by robust fundamentals and growing adoption. Yet the recent 3.3% dip and market-wide correction cast a shadow of doubt. Could this be a masterful bluff by savvy investors, or a misstep in a volatile sea. The blockchain holds the clues, and the next move could redefine Ethereum's trajectory. Subscribe now to witness the climax of this gripping saga and secure your edge in the crypto frontier.